Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage custom words and phrases on the hidden words section on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, go to your profile section and then click here on these three lines and then scroll down and go to the hidden words, and then here we have this manage custom words and phrases. So as you see here, you have to add words separated by commas. Anyway, add any word and click add and it will be added. So that's it. That's how to manage custom words and phrases easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.